Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mitsubishi Montero Sport and the Isuzu M-UX. These two formidable 7-seater SUVs are popular choices for families and adventurers alike. We will delve into their core aspects, from engine performance and driving dynamics to interior comfort, advanced features, and crucial safety technologies. Our goal is to provide a clear, concise overview, helping you understand which vehicle might better suit your lifestyle and driving needs. Stay tuned to find your ideal SUV. When it comes to power, the Montero Sport typically features a 2.4-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering around 179 horsepower and 430 newton-meters of torque. It often pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Isuzu M-UX, on the other hand, commonly offers a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, boasting about 190 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque, usually coupled with a 6-speed automatic. Both provide robust performance for various driving conditions. Inside, both the Montero Sport and M-UX prioritize passenger comfort with seating for 7. The Montero Sport often includes an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, leather seats, and dual-zone climate control. The M-UX also offers a spacious cabin with configurable second and third-row seats for enhanced cargo flexibility, along with a 9-inch infotainment display in higher variants. Both vehicles aim to provide a comfortable and connected experience for all occupants on long journeys. Safety is paramount, and both SUVs are well-equipped. The Montero Sport typically features up to 7 airbags, along with advanced driver assist systems like forward collision mitigation and blind spot warning. The M-UX often comes with 8 airbags, including a front center airbag, and boasts a 5-star safety rating, incorporating intelligent driver assistance systems. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize slightly more power, specific interior features, or a particular suite of safety technologies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.